Hi everyone, this is Mr. Rankin from the STAR support team. We help kids with learning disabilities learn better with their technology. I'm just recording in a gym at lunchtime here, trying to find a quiet place at a great school. But what I want to show you today is the Read&Write app on the iPad. So just to let you guys know, this is an app for current Read&Write users. It doesn't work the same as Read&Write on the computer for Google Chrome or Google Read&Write, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have the speech-to-text or text-to-speech option. What it has is the predictive text option. So the first thing I want to show you in the Read&Write app, it's in the bottom left corner. That's really just a setup app. If you don't have it on your iPad for whatever reason, what you have to do is in the App Store, if you look up Read&Write, you're not going to be able to find it. What you actually have to do is type in Text Help, and that's the company that makes Read&Write. If I type in Text Help, that's how you're going to be able to find it. And then so there you go. It's the purple one. I can just open it, but that's how you would download it, okay? So once you have the Text Help app, it's not really an app that you open up and use for writing. It's a setup app, and so what you do is you go into the app, so it's the bottom left corner, and it looks like this, okay? Now, mine's already linked, but towards the bottom, you're going to see the subheading Existing Read&Write Account. You're going to want to link that to your Google ID. So if you have an existing Read&Write account, you want to link it. You're going to have to put in your email address and your password. So I've already done that, and otherwise, it costs, I think, $27.99 if you don't have that. So I like to have everything toggled on, okay? I like to have highlighted vowels. I like to have the open dyslexic font, which you'll see what that looks like. I do like swipe to insert at the bottom as well. And so from here, you think, okay, this is done. Actually, it's not. This is like a 5-step process, so it can be a little bit difficult. So it's set up there, but now you have to actually install it as a keyboard. So I'm going to go into my settings, and so settings is my little gear over here. And under general, there's an area, if I can find it here, called keyboard, okay? So it's in the middle of my screen about there, so I'm going to click on keyboard. And what I have to do is click on keyboards again, where it says 2 keyboards. That's the current keyboard that I have. So right now I have an emoji keyboard and a regular keyboard. I'm going to click add new keyboard. And I'm going to see, oh, there's a Read&Write option all of a sudden. So I'm going to click on that. And now you think, okay, we're done. We're actually not done. We have to click on the arrow here for Read&Write because we have to toggle it on to allow full access, okay? We're going to allow it. And now you're going to see what the Read&Write keyboard looks like. So I'm just going to open up notes here. Here's a note called Read&Write. And now you can see my keyboard at the bottom. It does have some predictive text features at the top for 3 different words. I'm going to do a long click on the globe button. That's how you change keyboards. And I'm going to choose the Read&Write keyboard. And it's going to come up as purple, although I could change the color if I wanted to. You can see the font doesn't have to be like that, but that's the open dyslexic font, which is good for kids with dyslexia. And so now I could start typing a word like, for example, Canada. And I know I can spell Canada. Oh, and I can see Canada kind of on the middle of my page there. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this in my recording here, but if I click on it once, it'll actually say the word Canada.